I'll guide you through uploading videos to the Bilibili Global app in just a few simple steps. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Publishing your videos to Bilibili Global lets you share your content with a worldwide audience without going through complex setup steps. To start, open the Bilibili app and tap the Me profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the upload button or the plus icon to open your phone's media gallery and select your video file, then tap Next. Bilibili offers built-in editing tools where you can trim your video, adjust the aspect ratio, add background music, or overlay text before proceeding. Next, tap Edit Cover to choose a specific frame from your video or upload a custom image thumbnail from your camera roll. Type in a clear title and enter your description in the introduction box. Remember that mobile descriptions have a limit of 250 characters, so keep your text concise. Tap Tags to add relevant category keywords like gaming, tech, or anime, so the platform's algorithm recommends your video to the right viewers. Before submitting, check the original content toggle switch. If you created the video yourself, leave this toggled on to protect your content ownership. You can also enable the built-in AI dubbing and subtitle feature, which automatically translates your spoken audio into Chinese and English subtitles for viewers. Select whether you want to publish immediately or choose release time to schedule your video for a specific date. Once everything looks good, tap Submit. Your video will enter a brief staff review process that usually takes 15 to 30 minutes before going public on your channel. Next is to monitor your video performance, and for that, click to watch this video right here. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.